The Eye of the Storm: Unraveling the Mysteries of Hurricanes. Hurricanes, nature's most powerful storms. They can devastate entire regions, but how do these colossal tempests form, and what do you need to know to stay safe? Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of hurricanes. How hurricanes start. Hurricanes, also known as tropical cyclones, begin over warm ocean waters of at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 27 degrees Celsius. The process starts with the evaporation of warm, moist air, which rises and condenses into clouds, releasing heat. This heat powers the storm, creating a cycle of rising warm air and falling cool air. As the system grows, it begins to spin due to the Earth's rotation, forming the characteristic spiral shape of a hurricane. This process, known as the Coriolis effect, is what gives hurricanes their spinning motion. These storms can take days or even weeks to develop, often starting as tropical disturbances or depressions before gaining enough strength to become a hurricane. The warm water acts as fuel, feeding the storm and allowing it to grow in size and power. The life cycle of a hurricane. The life cycle of a hurricane consists of 4 stages: formation, intensification, maturity, and decay. During formation, warm ocean water and atmospheric conditions combine to create a tropical disturbance. If conditions are favorable, this disturbance can develop into a tropical depression, then a tropical storm, and finally a hurricane. As the hurricane intensifies, it can grow larger and more powerful, sometimes reaching Category 5 status with winds exceeding 157 miles per hour.
It's wind, not winds. I apologize for the bad pronunciation. Wow.
However, hurricanes eventually weaken as they move over cooler waters or land, losing their energy source. This is the decay stage, where the storm gradually dissipates. The anatomy of a hurricane. A hurricane has 3 main parts: the eyewall, and the rain bands. The eye is the calm center, with light winds and clear skies. It's deceptively peaceful compared to the surrounding eyewall, where the most intense winds and rainfall occur. The eyewall can be a terrifying place with winds that can exceed 150 miles per hour in the strongest storms. Beyond the eyewall are the rain bands, spiraling outwards and bringing heavy rain, wind, and even tornadoes. These rain bands can stretch for hundreds of miles, affecting areas far from the storm's center. Categories of hurricanes. Hurricanes are categorized by the Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale, which ranges from Category 1 to Category 5. This scale measures a hurricane's sustained wind speeds and potential damage. Category 1, wind speeds of 74 to 95 miles per hour, 119 to 153 kilometers per hour. Damage is usually minimal, though some trees and power lines may be affected. Category 2, wind speeds of 96 to 110 miles per hour, 154 to 177 kilometers per hour. There is a higher risk of injury from flying debris and significant damage to roofing and siding. Category 3, wind speeds of 111 to 129 miles per hour, 178 to 208 kilometers per hour. These hurricanes can cause devastating damage, tearing off roofs and snapping trees. Category 4, wind speeds of 130 to 156 miles per hour, 209 to 251 kilometers per hour. Catastrophic damage occurs, with most trees snapped or uprooted and residential areas suffering severe structural damage. Category 5, wind speeds of 157 miles per hour, 250 to kilometers per hour or higher. Total destruction of buildings and infrastructure is likely, with areas becoming uninhabitable for weeks or months. Understanding these categories helps us prepare for the impact of these storms. The higher the category, the more severe the potential damage and the more critical it is to take protective measures. Historical hurricanes and their impact. Throughout history, some hurricanes have left an indelible mark due to their immense power and the destruction they caused. Hurricane Katrina in 2005, one of the deadliest hurricanes in U.S. history, caused over 1,800 deaths and $125 billion in damage. Hurricane Sandy in 2012, known as Superstorm Sandy, impacted 24 states and caused widespread flooding and power outages. In 2017, Hurricane Maria devastated Puerto Rico, leading to a humanitarian crisis. These storms remind us of the immense power of hurricanes and the importance of preparedness and response. Important facts and safety tips. Knowing how to prepare and stay safe during a hurricane is crucial. Here are some important facts and tips. 1. Storm surge. The leading cause of hurricane-related deaths. Always follow evacuation orders to avoid storm surges. 2. Hurricane watch versus warning. A watch means conditions are possible within 48 hours. A warning means conditions are expected within 36 hours. 3. Emergency kit. Have a kit with essentials like water, food, medications, and important documents. 4. Stay informed, keep up with local news and weather updates. A battery-powered radio can be a lifesaver if power is lost. 5. Secure your home, install storm shutters, secure loose outdoor items, and know how to turn off utilities. Preparation can make all the difference in a hurricane's aftermath. Hurricanes are formidable forces of nature, but with knowledge and preparation, we can weather the storm. Stay safe, stay informed, and remember, after every storm, the sun will shine again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing insights into our world's most fascinating phenomena.
And remember, good vibes only.